Hey babes, if you are looking for a way to grow your hair with the simplest natural ingredients that you can even find at your market, do well to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to show you a simple recipe you can do for yourself that's going to strengthen your hair every day. So the ingredients we'll be using will be fenugreek seeds, hibiscus flowers, and then some green tea powder. Yes, these are very powerful Ayurvedic ingredients you can use to promote hair growth. So this fenugreek seeds and hibiscus leaves, I use them for my hair growth spray, and then instead of throwing them away, I store them in the fridge in order to blend and use them for a mask. And then I decided to add a little touch to it and added some green tea. Yes, green tea is very potent for hair growth. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair, green tea can be your best bet. It can help strengthen your hair, it can help revive dead follicles, and a whole lot. Yes, so fenugreek seeds, if you haven't used fenugreek seeds before, please try using it because it can really promote hair growth. It can even help with dandruff. If you have issues with dandruff, try using fenugreek seeds. It can help with so many things in strengthening the hair. Now, what about hibiscus leaves? Hibiscus leaf is one of the natural ingredients that I personally love because, first of all, it has antimicrobial properties that helps to strengthen the hair very well. It also has strengthening properties. All these herbs are natural and are very potent. So my last but not least ingredient is green tea. So you can either use the tea itself, but because I'm using it as a mask, that is how come I'm using the powder itself. So guys, if you try green tea for yourself, you are going to access to it. Green tea is rich in vitamin B and C. It also has lots of antioxidants in it. When you use green tea for your hair, it's able to boost hair growth and it also controls hair fall. So you can see me really stirring it into a paste. With this green tea or the powder, it's very fine. So I didn't need to strain or anything. It's very fine. I mean, the texture was really fine. I just needed to stir it a little so that the lamps will also have this smooth texture as well. And once we are done stirring, I ended up adding hair growth oil in order to boost its nutrients. Yes, this alone can be used, but if you want enough moisture, adding your favorite hair growth oil, your normal hair oil, maybe olive oil or coconut oil, is going to help boost the growth of your hair. Yes, or it's going to make your mask very potent. So I first of all transferred it into an applicator bottle because I thought it was liquid, it was runny, and it will be able to flow through the applicator bottle. But while I was doing it, I was struggling to get it out of the applicator bottle onto my hair, so I ended up using my hands to apply this mask on my hair. You can do whichever you want. You can either make it thicker or this consistency is also fine. Yeah, so now here's my hair. This is like a hair mask. You can do it before you shampoo or after you shampoo, depending on what you want. So I first of all sprayed some herbs infused tea, the hibiscus and fenugreek tea on my hair in order to moisten my hair a bit before going in with the mask itself. Yes, so I just wanted my hair to be a bit moist before I go in with anything. It's important to do this in sections so that every part of your hair will be able to get some of the nutrients and also enhance hair growth. So I divided my hair into sections like you're seeing, smaller sections, so that it will be easy for the application to enter or penetrate into my scalp. Yes. So guys, after dividing my hair into sections, it was now time to apply this mask. This mask is so good. It felt really good. Even before I finished applying it on my hair felt very good. Like, I was like, wow, I have been missing out. If you haven't been using natural ingredients for your hair, please try because they are filled with so many nutrients. Yes, they are filled with so much nutrient that help promote hair growth. So I recommend this mask if you are having excessive shedding, if you cannot explain why you are suddenly losing so much hair, if you want to focus on your scalp, this is a treatment for you. If you want to exfoliate your scalp, this is a treatment for you because when you are done applying this treatment and you wait for a while, it's going to make all the scalp buildups very, very soft. Like, it's going to make it so easy to remove from your scalp. So just putting water on your hair or on your scalp will just wash away the dirt or anything residue you have on your scalp. Yes. So I applied it and then focus on my ends as well, because my ends are also the oldest part of my hair and they need lots of nutrients to grow. When I finished, I put my hair in twists, made sure that every part of my hair made sure possible enough to apply it to every part of my hair. Twisted the hair like what you're seeing in this video, and then went into a different section. You can do this every time you wash your hair. If you wash your hair once a week, you can do this once a week. This is completely safe. If you wash your hair twice a month, you can do this twice a month. If you wash your hair once a month, you can do this once a month. But washing your hair once a week should depend on how often you manipulate your hair, especially with products. So if you are someone who uses lots of products by the week, washing your hair once a week will be okay. But if you don't really do much to your hair, I think once a week will be a bit too much. But it's all up to you. Depends on what works for you. If washing your hair once a week works for you, then so be it. Yes. This treatment makes the hair very, very soft. So if you've been having sudden dryness and you want to introduce some moisture into your hair, this is the treatment that I would recommend for you. It makes the hair very, very soft and you see your curls popping out. Very soft and very, very manageable. So I recommend this treatment for anyone who is experiencing sudden hair loss and also who has dryness, extreme dryness or unexplained dryness, to try this treatment, because you are not going to regret it. Yes. As I mentioned earlier, please focus on your scalp, because this is also very good for the scalp. Yes. I've said that if you have dandruff on your scalp or any scalp buildup, this treatment is able to remove it without any harsh pressure that you will have to put on it. It just does its job nicely without putting any harsh pressure on it. Yes. So you may ask that, what if you don't have green tea? What should you do? If you don't have green tea, hibiscus and fenugreek are also very good. You can interchange them, either hibiscus and fenugreek, or hibiscus and green tea, or fenugreek and green tea, or any one you have available. You don't need to stress yourself. You can even use any powder, any Ayurvedic powder that you have available. Make sure you do enough research on this before you try anything on your hair. Yeah. So whilst I was done with this section, I moved over to the next section and then did it. I couldn't record the full video because I needed space on my phone, so I couldn't do everything. But then let me tell you what I did afterwards. So after applying the treatment throughout my hair, I wore my shower cap for 15 minutes in addition to my hair steamer cap for 15 minutes, and then I went into the shower to shampoo my hair. Yes, this made my hair feel very, very soft. When I came out of the shower, I was like, wow, is this really my hair? I really felt the softness of my hair. Yes. After that, because your hair becomes very soft, it can also dry out very, very quickly. So it's important that you shouldn't enjoy the softness so much. Once you are done with the shower, you go straight and then moisturize your hair, because if you don't moisturize your hair is going to get very, very dry, unexplained dryness, and you are going to wonder why your hair is suddenly dry. So guys, let me know what you think about this treatment. Is this something you'll be trying yourself? Have you tried making this treatment yourself? What do you think about Ayurvedic ingredients? Let me know. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything at all, let me know in the comment section. I'll be replying to every comment that I see in the video. Yes. So thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Please stay to the channel. I'll be showing you more natural remedies that you can use to grow your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.